my dear Libra friends. I'm your girl Alkananda and welcome to the channel Universe Magic W1W Tarot. Hope you guys are doing well. So this is your general monthly reading and let's see what is going to happen in the month of September for you guys Libras. Take what resonates, keep an open mind and leave the rest behind because it can be related to someone else because this is a general reading, right? Let's see. If you want, you can book your personal reading as well. You can DM me on Insta and you can book your personal reading and you can check out the description as well. For Libras, what's happening in this month for Libras? Okay, Devil in reverse. I think that a lot of Libras are coming out of their toxic relationship or anything that they feel is not right for them. Okay, like there is a toxic tower as well. So I can see you guys can be having no contact situation with your partner, or it's like you are having a choice like whether to deal with this person or not, and you have choose this thing. The tower is here. I can see for a few people it can be related to business. You guys are doing a business, you guys are choosing the right person to do the business with, you guys are developing the energies and you're moving on. Libra, you guys are moving on. You guys are cutting off the bad people, toxic people of your life. Can be also releasing your ex and choosing the new person, or releasing the bad energies and choosing the person with the right energy. You're releasing something, the bad energies or the bad people. You definitely you are, oh my god, Libras, you guys are protecting yourself. You guys are definitely protecting yourself, I can see. And also with the Eight of Cups, you're leaving something behind. You're leaving either a broken marriage, a relationship. You guys are leaving, you're choosing to be yourself. I also can see here there is energy of Chariot. So it's the energy of you are you are somewhere feeling that either you're doing the right thing or not, or also you are moving on. It's not like you're going back to this energy, you're moving on, whatever happening with that. Okay, Nine of Cups is here, Libras. I can see that even though all these things happening, you're feeling fulfilled within. Okay, whatever is happening, you're feeling fulfilled within. I mean, I can see you are not distressed. The Lovers is here and Nine of Cups is here. Whatever is happening for few people, like for few Libras, of course, this is general reading. So for few Libras, I feel like you guys are being behaving so lively, or you guys are actually happy in your life. Okay, it's not bothering you whatever is ending from your life. It can be a job also. You have searched for a new job and you finally got a new job. I feel like you are getting what you wanted and you are leaving the bad part behind. The bad part, either in your relationship, either in your career, you're leaving the bad part. It's not like you're leaving the entire thing, leaving the bad part behind. Okay, Ten of Pentacles is also here. So I can see Libras, this month is about money. This month is about abundance. I can also see that this month is about celebration and fulfillment. You guys are celebrating with your family. I can also see that you guys are looking after your mental health, or you guys are thinking about your own journey. Okay, I mean Libra, wow, you're fighting for yourself, you're fighting for your love, yourself, self-love also. I can see Libra, this month is about finding the true love. Okay, this month is about protecting yourself and finding the true love. Whatever is not working for you and leaving all these things behind. I can see that. I also can see that you guys gonna stand up for yourself. You're gonna face a lot of challenges this month. It can be related to career again, I'm saying. I can definitely see, as I was telling you guys, that I can see here the energy of being disappointed. That's why you guys are leaving things behind. Okay, you guys are being disappointed, but also it's not too bad. Two of Cups, I can see that mutual energy, mutual love is also there. Whatever you wanted in your relationship, maybe this is happening finally. Like death, a transformation that was needed, that was actually gonna help your relationship, is finally having. It's finally you're gonna see it's actually being. I also can see Libra, you guys are wow, someone is missing you, Libras. Someone is missing you. Someone wants to work with you or wanna make the relationship right with you, or someone really wants to come forward. Yeah, the King of Wands is here with Chariot. There is someone, maybe you're dealing with a Cancer, maybe you're dealing with a Leo or a Sagittarius. This person wants to come forward. This person is so much attracted towards you. Also, it can be someone from the past, coming from the past. There is Tower, so this person is coming from the past. I can see the energy of creating something with you. They want to create something. They are so passionate towards you, and they're coming with intensity to you. There is Two of Cups as well. This is the energy of togetherness, not just only togetherness, the love, the romance, I can see romance, I can see initial attraction, or I can see for few people it's not like new love happening, but someone is coming from the past. Someone is definitely coming from the past. I can see harmony, balance in your relationship. You guys are finally coming out of no contact situation. Wow, Libras, you guys are coming out of no contact situation for few Libras. I can see that. Eight of Cups is also here, so it's the energy of Pisces. Although I can see the energy of disappointment, as I was telling you, that whatever you wanted, it didn't turn out to be like this, so you got disappointed. But the Nine of Cups is also here, which is actually talking about finally whatever you wanted, it is happening. It's very different, like you are finally appreciating what you're having. Okay, the Death is also here, so exactly the energy I feel about how you wanted to turn out to be, it happened like this. So you are, this month it will be tough for you, but it's gonna change a lot of things for you guys as well. And also for career, I can see that whatever is ending, it is ending for the good reason, and whatever you will gonna come over to you, Ten of Pentacles, it will gonna help you, it will gonna make you abundant and successful in your career. Traveling will be possible also for Libras this month. Okay, you guys are traveling as well. The Chariot is here and the Ten of Pentacles is here. So yeah, that's all I say. And Eight of Cups is also here. So yeah, it's quite possible you guys gonna travel this month. And also there will be a block energy, that you or your partner gonna block you, or the energy wise, I think. Okay, there is a choice, Libras, okay, for you guys. Thank you so much, universe, for Libras. Okay, pay attention to your finances. So I can see, Libras, that whatever is happening, pay attention to your finances, family matters. Okay, can be, as I was saying, that you guys can be celebrating something with your family as well, unsuccessful outcome to a problem. So yeah, there is Seven of Wands for few Libras, not for few Libras, actually Libras, if you guys are having any difficulties and problem, there will be unsuccessful outcome. Later on, things will gonna be fine. The Death is here, and then things gonna be fine. A journey, yeah, mental or physical, taking a vacation, physically or mentally. Yeah, you need the vacation. Like whatever you guys are facing lately, you guys need a vacation. Unsettled times need a plan, need to plan ahead. Just remember, whatever right now haven't been decided, you guys are gonna decide and gonna plan completely and clearly. Do not be tempted to lower your standard. Whatever, one more thing, anyone gonna offer you anything, you can't lower your standard. Whatever you want, be precise with that and just go on with that. You will be taken care of in difficult times, so don't worry, you will be taken care. Don't worry about this thing that you're alone or anything. No, that's not true. Someone working against behind your back. So Libras, stay aware, because there is someone or something that is working against you. Can be also evil eye or something, but you can protect yourself because the devil is here. So even though it's in reverse still, okay. Thank you so much, universe, for Libra. What's happening in this month? Okay, you got romantic feelings, and you got let your friends help you. Okay, so I can see, Libras, your friends can help you in your romantic relationship or relationship context. Anything, your friends gonna help you. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. Romantic feelings, you and your partner. So lovers is there for Libras. You guys can you know have or gonna date or gonna go on a date with your partner. But for few Libras, it is definitely unrequited love. There are not enough attraction, chemistry to keep this relationship going. So that's all I see, guys, for this month. But yeah, there is someone who's missing you terribly. I feel this way. It can be someone in your family as well. It can be someone who you are not talking currently. So yeah, that's all I see, Libras. Hope this got resonated with you. If it does, like, share, subscribe, and if you want to book your personal reading, you can check the description below and can DM me for that. Thanks so much, guys. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you in the next reading, and comment down below also. Okay, love you all. Bye.